Hi everyone, CNXsoft here. Shenzhen Tomato sent me the Rippl-TV media player. It's another media player based on Logic S802, but the difference is that they are using XBMC as a launcher, and everything is controlled from XBMC, your apps, games, settings, everything. So let's have a look at the hardware first. Okay, that's the box. Okay, I think there are some other S802 box with the exact same hardware. So what you get at the back? It says Rippl-TV, designed in California, made in China. Okay, so let's have a look at the ports. We've got power, optical SPDIF, AV port, Ethernet is fast Ethernet, HDMI, two USB 2.0 ports, and a micro SD card slot. And this looks like a button, but no, it's not a button. So there are no power buttons. There's also a small leaflet. Okay, that explains how to connect the box, what's inside the package, and how to ask for support. And the warranty is 1 year. Alright, and then they also include a remote control. It's an infrared remote control, and you need two AAA batteries. Okay, I think I've seen it before as well, but normally this type of remote is not convenient with Android. But since they are using XBMC, maybe it will work okay. This is the power supply, is 5 volt 2 amps. And finally, there is a HDMI cable, probably around 1 meter. It's come with the box. So yeah, that's it for Rippl-TV unboxing. I'll do a full review in a few days. Bye bye.